scared me.
Ah! No, they scared you.
Oh, somebody scared me.
I'm Pamela.
I'm Jerry.
And this is Life is Trail Running. And we are headed to one of our favorite places, Cackleberry Farm in Camden. They have pumpkins and a spook walk and Halloween decorations. It's just so much fun to go.
It's a little small kind of place.
Yeah, tiny little place, but it's just a blast. We've gone every year for the past, oh my gosh, what, 5 years now?
152 years.
Oh, wow, we're really old.
Yeah.
Are we vampires?
Yeah. No, we're not vampires.
The sun is bad!
You can't prove it.
So we're headed there, and we're going to get a little bit of footage for you. I have to also pick up pumpkins because I didn't get this year. Oh, they put a camp store in. And a Subway.
Wow.
And a creepy place. Okay, yep. Anyway, oh, Halloween decorations?
At the Pizza Plus.
Wow, they are definitely plus.
I don't know what the plus is.
Plus are the decorations they have. It's always kind of creepy coming out here towards Camden, I'm not gonna lie. But the place is really nice, so let's check it out. We're here.
Trying to get out. Devil Dan. Come on, sit. Sit.
Oh, this rock's slippery too. You kind of want to just slide right off.
Okay, we've done our part to keep Devil Dan in.
Yeah, not somebody else's job.
Yeah, someone else's.
They can worry about it.
Welcome to my tiny house.
Wow, this is really tiny.
You've heard of tiny house living? This is tiny house.
Oh. Do you have any room in there?
Huh?
Do you have any room?
How
How about we reconsider?
a little less of a tiny house?
Yeah. Oh my. That didn't work so well,
No,
huh?
that wasn't the best idea. shall suck the blood of the bride.
Are those the vows?
Hmm?
I didn't know that. Boy.
I remember that.
I'm gonna go poppin' pippin'. I'm gonna go poppin' pippin'. You came here for my singing, you know it.
Did not.
I love picking pumpkins. It's so much fun. I'd rather go in a field and like pick them fresh, but ooh, look at this. He's a handsome fellow. So we got a pumpkin. We got one.
We just got a little pumpkin.
They didn't have a lot of the warty, swishy, weird colored ones because they don't grow many. They said they don't grow that easily, and everybody bought them. But that's okay.
We're gonna try other places.
In other places. To be continued.
Dun, dun, dun.